Hello, it's Big Elvis with you. Doing a room update. Haven't seen some of these cars. There's part of the Studebaker collection up there. And that, of course, is some premium Hot Wheels. We are doing some giveaways, so some of those will be up in the giveaways. Probably start one May 1st. Here is the premium. Now these are the boulevards, starting from number 1 all the way through. Let's see here. Let's get them squared back a little. That is the Auto Worlds. The 5 car sets. And I've got down to 130. All the way there. And then those there are, well, that's where I'm up to the latest. I think 150, 155. I'd have to look to make sure. Now, that, well, as you can see, that's Ford trucks. A bunch of those are, there's some Hot Wheels, there's some green lights, there's lots of M2s up there. Carry down. And then we get into some more Studebakers there. It's kind of hard to see behind the box. There's a few Fords over there, some Hot Wheels, some M2s. My crazy Hearst ambulance related. Just some cool old looking cars. Then we get down here. Now those white ones are all Lamley cars. That's the Mini GT Porsches. Have to get creative. Some Mustangs. Silver Mini GT. Some are Auto World. There's some Hot Wheels premiums. We just opened a couple of those Thunderbirds. Pretty nice. A lot of that stuff there is Hot Wheels, Johnny Lightning. Of course, my square body, and those are all Auto Worlds. We got a ton of them. And then where I film, you see the lighting. There's the Mustang Corral. There's a ton of the Mustangs down there. Some Auto World Mustangs. We get into all kinds of Auto Worlds. Auto World. You got some Chevrolets and the Camaros. There you go. Those Chevy wagons. Up there at the top is the Corvettes. Then you get into the Novas. The Nova 4-doors. And those, they're not Suburbans, I don't think. Well, I don't know. There's 66 models of Chevy. There's the McCann. Didn't open him because he is very limited. It's normally I open them all, don't matter. Vanishing Point car. Got a bunch of Fords here. We got some Mopars. The Jeeps. The old Mopars. Roadrunners. This one is kind of everything else. You got some of those wagons. for those minivans. Some more of the Mopars. There's some Cadillacs and some Oldsmobiles. Some Chevys. Like those Impalas. Yep. Steve Miller Band Mustang. There's some Pontiacs. Some Oldsmobiles and some Buicks. Some Lincolns. So the room is growing. We have gotten rid of a few as giveaways on the Hot Wheels walls. So more of the Hot Wheels. Got some of these food trucks. Now these are the premium, so they did have the real rubber already. But we got a bunch of food trucks that have been wheel swapped by a buddy out in California. Old Royce Rodriguez. If you like to buy through auctions, check him out. He's on Facebook, Boneyard Diecast. Him and his wife do stuff all the time on there. Oh yeah. We've got, like I said, I open about, can't say everything, but I do open a lot, as you can see. Some Harley Davidson. I got a Harley Davidson collection we'll have to show sometime. That was a gift at Nova. There's part of that, some of those 2-packs. We've got a bunch. The Snake. A lot of these are from the 2-pack series. And I'll get them. I'll pop them open. A bunch of Johnny Lightning over here. All these pretty much are Johnny Lightning. And of course these are those as you can see, NO64 Tarmac Street Weapon. Some have been opened, some have not. That's that AMG, beautiful car. But we've got a ton of them. I even got some little Ford tractors in there. But oh yeah, you know, as a hobbyist, collector, there for a while I was trying to do the entire sets. Sets got hard to do because I wouldn't always find them here. And sometimes what I needed was way more than what I was willing to pay. So now it's just collect the ones that I want, open the ones that I want, do your stuff for your, for you guys to be a part of. Some of these cars are just too cool, like there, Pacer, Gremlin, little AMC. Yep. Johnny Lightning, been around a long time, and they do some pretty cool stuff. Now, some of these with the real rubber tires have been released since, but they're the old castings. They just have put real rubber tires on them. Part of round 2. There we go. How about the Ford Ranger? Danger Ranger. You can see we got some more Mustangs, some more Thunderbirds. Yeah, there's some Thunderbirds. Mustangs. Some of those Jags, and I don't think that's an Austin Healey, but I'd have to look to see. Got a little golf collection here. We got some more of the golf. There's my rat fink. And I don't even have all the rat fink stuff. We've got a few. Got some Vans. Some of the Van stuff is pretty cool. Some more Mustangs. Funny cars. Oh yeah. And then up at the top there, there you go. And then these were the team transports from Hot Wheels. We were doing all them till it just went crazy and I didn't have enough room for them anymore. But I've got a few. We get a few every once in a while. So that's where I'm up to. Some of these, I don't even know what trucks go with what cars anymore. We've got those Plano cases full of them. Yep, like these cases here. We've taken the doors off. There's your rat fink. And that was a custom job that was done for me. So yeah, we've got so many. So much different stuff. Hope you enjoyed the room tour. We've got parking stall for the team transports. And we'll get you back around. You can see there's a shelf with a bunch. There's boxes full that I'm trying to go through. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it was a little long. Big Elvis here, Diecast room. See you on the next one. Y'all take care of each other out there.